The first video in the Google Sites tutorial is creating a site. So you're going to want to go to sites.google.com up here in your address bar, or if you click the little boxes over here, you can click Sites. It will take you right to it. You can hit New Google Sites down here. This right here will show you all of the sites you've already created. And then you go down here to the little Google Plus thing, and just like every other Google resource, you hit the plus. And you will need to name your website. You can change all of these features, but I will show you how to do that in another video. The other thing you will want to do is change the name up here. This is what it will be saved as in your Google Drive. So there you go. It is as easy as that to create your site.